Imagine a park filled with trees and a concrete parking lot. Even in the same sunlight, the parking lot becomes much hotter. This can be attributed to the fact that cities have fewer trees, more concrete surfaces, heavy traffic, and numerous human activities that generate heat. Think of concrete and asphalt as giant heat batteries. During the day, they absorb large amounts of heat and solar energy. At night, they slowly release that stored heat, preventing cities from cooling down. This phenomenon is called the urban heat island effect. An urban heat island occurs when urban areas become significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas. The urban heat island effect is not just about discomfort. It can increase the risk of dehydration, heat stress, heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and even heat-related deaths. But the good news? Urban heat islands are not inevitable. Cities around the world are already showing that simple interventions can make a big difference. Trees provide shade and natural cooling. Cool roofs reflect sunlight instead of absorbing it. Green roofs add vegetation where space is limited. A cool roof can be created by applying reflective white paint or coatings that bounce sunlight away from the building, or using cool roof tiles or light-colored roofing materials that absorb less heat than traditional dark roofs. Or even, restoring lakes, ponds, and water bodies helps cool the urban environment naturally. The solutions are not futuristic. Many already exist around us. Perhaps the most encouraging fact is that cities around the world have already shown us what works. Singapore transformed urban development by integrating nature directly into the city landscape. Medellin cooled its city by creating green corridors that reduced temperatures by more than 2 degrees Celsius. Barcelona redesigned neighborhoods to prioritize people, green spaces, and cooler streets. Rotterdam embraced water and green infrastructure to improve both climate resilience and urban cooling. Melbourne's urban forest strategy demonstrates the power of trees to reduce temperatures across entire streets. Ahmedabad pioneered South Asia's first heat action plan, proving that early warnings and community action can save lives. Now let's consider the section we were eagerly waiting for. The most common myths associated with the urban health island. Let's begin. A common statement goes, urban heat islands only happen during summer days. The urban heat island effect can occur year-round. Cities are often warmer than nearby rural areas because modern concrete structures absorb and retain heat. Heat waves make the effect stronger, but they don't create it. Cities can be warmer even on ordinary days. Now, to the next statement. Urban heat islands can be seen from space. Myth or reality?
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
This one sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Scientists can actually see urban heat islands from space. The thermal image reveals surface temperatures. The red and orange areas represent hotter urban zones, while the green and blue areas indicate cooler parks, vegetation, and water bodies. These images help identify heat hotspots and guide city planners toward cooling strategies. The third statement, more air conditioners will solve urban heat. Air conditioners make indoor spaces more comfortable. But can they cool an entire city? Surprisingly, no. In fact, when thousands of air conditioners release heat outdoors, they can contribute to urban warming. Comfort indoors does not always mean cooling outdoors. So what have we learned? First, urban heat islands are not just about temperature, they are about equity. The people most exposed to heat are often those with the fewest resources to escape it. Second, urban planning is public health. Every tree planted, every cool roof installed, and every green corridor created can help reduce heat exposure and protect lives. From Singapore to Medellin, from Barcelona to Ahmedabad, solutions already exist. It is a responsibility we all share. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought that might intrigue you. If urban heat can impact our physical health, could it also influence something less visible? Our thoughts, emotions, and state of mind? Let's dive deep into this in our next video. Stay tuned.